Breaking news in the Freddie Gray case. All charges are dropped against the remaining 3 police officers being held responsible for Gray's death. Baltimore State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby announced Wednesday morning why she and her team decided to stop the prosecution.
The decision not to proceed on these trials, on the remaining trials, is agonizing. However, as a chief prosecutor elected by the citizens of Baltimore, I must consider the dismal likelihood of conviction at this point.
The Baltimore community showed up to Freddie Gray's memorial in West Baltimore, where Mosby held her press conference. They supported her decision but still weren't pleased with the outcome.
Based on what she says, I completely understand about the money and the time, and it didn't look like it would be a win-win. So the justice didn't happen the way that the community wanted it to happen.
Officer Garrett Miller, Officer William Porter, and Sergeant Alicia White will not face trial in the death of 25-year-old Freddie Gray. President of the Fraternal Order of Police, Lieutenant Gene Ryan, spoke on behalf of the police department and the officers.
We're pleased that the criminal charges against Officer Miller, Porter, Sergeant White have been dismissed. Justice has been done.
Mosby hopes to move forward with reform and wants people to look at the bigger picture.
We have to look at the way in which we're holding these officers accountable. It's time for systemic reform. And it's not just in Baltimore City, but it's all across the country.
Since last year, the Baltimore Police Department has implemented new policies like using body cameras and requiring officers to secure prisoners with seatbelts. The 6 officers are expected to return to work, and Mosby will continue to prosecute for the city of Baltimore. Aaliyah Williamson, ABC 2 News.